What is the output Y in the following circuit when all the three inputs A, B, C are first 0 and then 1? Let us understand the circuit. Gate P is an AND gate and gate Q is a NAND gate. And the logic works as follows. Output of gate P, which is nothing but AND gate, is given by YP equals A into B. And output of gate Q, which is NAND gate, is given by Y equals output of P into C bar, which is nothing but A dot B into C whole bar. Let us check for different cases. In case 1, when A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0, we have AND gate output YP given by YP equals 0 into 0, which is equal to 0, and NAND gate output Y equals 0 into 0 the whole bar, which is equal to 0 bar, which is nothing but 1. Let's check in case 2, when A is 1, B is 1 and C is 1, AND gate output YP is given by YP equals 1 into 1, which is equal to 1, and the NAND gate output Y equals 1 into 1 bar, which is nothing but 1 bar, that is equal to 0. So we can conclude that when A, B, C are equal to 0, the output Y equals 1, and when A, B and C equals 1, the output Y is nothing but 0. So the correct answer will be option A.